I want to let you guys know. So the reason I left WFG, again, it's not because I didn't like it. It's not because, bad people or nothing like that. I left because I realized that within the WFG model, for me to get to the next level, I had to do one of two things. First is I had to keep recruiting, right? WFG has contract levels. I was a marketing director and I was essentially stuck where I was. Now, was some of that my fault? For sure, hands down. But where I am up in the north, not too many people. So to get more recruits, I would have had to move to a larger center. And that's what normally has to happen. You need to be in a large center where there's a lot of people that you can talk to and a lot of people to recruit, right? So that's the first reason. I wasn't willing to be able to do that. I wasn't able to pick up my family and move to a larger center. I wasn't willing to get up and spend more of my time in a larger center, meaning I didn't have to move, but I would have to travel and make connections in, say, the larger cities like Grand Prairie and Edmonton and Calgary. I wasn't willing to do that. So that kind of held me at a certain place.